If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Hulu subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to cancel your auto-renewal. Make sure to read any information about what happens to your account after cancellation. Step 5. Confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email or notification within the app. Keep this for your records to ensure that your auto-renewal has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal of your Hulu subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Hulu's customer support for assistance.